This might feel like an odd question, but I'm curious if you ever avoid your bathroom. If you ever feel grossed out whenever it's time to clean it, it's time to get some daily habits in place. I have 5 super simple, easy habits to share with you today that will make cleaning your bathroom easier. It will help it smell better regularly, and you won't cringe if someone ever has the audacity to stop by unexpectedly and ask to use your restroom.
Are you ready to stop the chaos, the stress, the overwhelm that's filling your life? I'm Renee Matt, and together you and I are going to build simple routines that are going to change your life. When you put these habits into practice, you're going to be able to organize your life in a way where you can be there for your family, pay off your debt, save money, your house can stay organized, you don't have to stress about what's for dinner, and you still get time for yourself. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to the Routine Advantage Podcast.
This feels a little bit like a very silly episode, but it's also a very important episode because we all use bathrooms. And if you have a habit of not cleaning your bathroom regularly, or maybe you have a lot of boys in the house, there can be bathrooms out there that are pretty gross. I'll just say it. They're pretty gross. So we want to have daily habits in place to help us keep our bathrooms clean because we don't want to have to go into a bathroom and think that it's disgusting. We want to be able to go into a bathroom and feel like it's a nice, fresh, clean bathroom. I mean, when you're getting out of the shower, you don't want to be stepping out of the shower as you are nice and clean into a bathroom that makes you cringe, right? So we want to have a bathroom that feels fresh and clean as much as we possibly can. And we can do very, very simple things each day to make this actually a reality because it doesn't take much time or effort really to keep a clean bathroom. It just takes a matter of being intentional about what we're doing. So, I have 5 things that will help you with this, and this will make it super easy. I promise it won't be as bad as you think. So, number one, I want you to keep a mini cleaning kit in a handy location. This can be directly in your bathroom, it can be in like a linen closet nearby, just somewhere that is very easy to grab when there is a mess to clean up, whether it is like splotches all over the mirror and toothpaste has splattered everywhere, or the sink is gross or even the toilet is gross. Like there are things that we want to wipe up in a bathroom, and we usually have to wipe it up pretty often because things splatter. Like we often have the toothpaste splatters or makeup splatters on the countertops and things like that. It's where we can do a really quick cleanup. So you might be wondering what to put in this little mini cleaning kit. And I think it's very simple items. I think you need to have some sort of bathroom cleaner, whether it is like a disinfectant or a tub and tile cleaner, something like that. You want to have a good cleaner that helps you wipe up these messes and clean your bathroom. The second one you want is a glass cleaner for the mirrors. And then the third thing in this little kit is some sort of cleaning cloths. You can have reusable cloths. You can have microfiber cloths. You can have some sort of like scrubby cloth for like the showers, anything like that. You just want to have cloths that you can use when you are quickly cleaning up a mess, which brings me to number two. Use this kit daily. And if you don't do it daily, at least do it every other day. But doing it daily will help you keep up with this and it will help maintain the cleanliness of your bathroom much easier. And your family members, if you live with others, will start to notice this as well and just automatically start kind of keeping the bathroom a little bit more presentable. So when you are using this kit, I don't mean that you need to haul this kit out and you need to take 20 minutes scrubbing down the bathroom. That is not what I'm saying here. I'm saying to do a really quick wipe down of your bathroom daily. This literally can take you like 3 minutes tops. You can go so fast and be done in no time. This is just taking your cleaners, spraying your mirrors down, taking the bathroom spray, spraying your counters and your toilet and anything else that needs to be cleaned down, and then go grab your microfiber cloth and wipe down the mirror and wipe that cleaner off, get it nice and sparkling. Use that same cloth and wipe down your counters and then move to your toilet and just wipe everything down. Obviously, you don't want to start with the toilet because that's gross. So start with the mirror, go to the counter, and then wipe down your toilet. And then take that rag and put it into the laundry. And you're done. That is the wipe down of your bathroom. And just do that daily, and it will feel so much fresher and cleaner in there with very minimal time. Now, you might say, well, my bathroom needs more attention than this. I need to scrub the shower and all of that. I'm not saying this is the only time you ever need to clean your bathroom. You are probably going to want to do deeper cleans of your bathroom, like just as a general rule, and also to clean out the shower or the tub or anything like that. This is just maintenance. This is just your daily maintenance to keep it fresh. Okay. So, number three is to change your hand towels daily. So, one of the things that I like to do is after I do this daily wipe down of the bathroom, I swap out the hand towels. I'm grabbing those when I put the other rag in the laundry, and I'm grabbing fresh towels to put in the bathroom. You don't have to do, like, bath towels. I know, bath towels are kind of one of those common things that get reused a couple of times, and that's fine. You don't have to change your bath towels every day, but you should change your hand towels every day because not only is it a good practice to have clean towels for germs, but it is also, like, having a nice fresh towel makes your bathroom feel cleaner as well. So, swapping out that towel and making sure that it is placed nicely and not just like balled up and tucked into the towel holder. You want to have it just flopped over nicely or folded over nicely and have that changed out every day. Hand towels are small. It does not take much to wash one of these and throw it in your load of laundry each day, but this is something that can make your bathroom feel fresher each day. The fourth thing is to make sure that your rugs are straightened every time you leave the bathroom. Bathroom rugs can be one of those things that get really rumpled and kind of shifted around all the time, especially if you don't have, like, grippers underneath them to keep them in place. Our bathroom rugs move all the time. But when I go in there, if I enter the bathroom, I always straighten the rugs before I leave the bathroom. Even if they're not straightened when I go in there, I always end up straightening them before I leave because it just makes the bathroom feel more put together and less chaotic and messy because it just feels better when you go enter the bathroom later. So that is something that can be a habit uh, to take on and to be intentional about initially, and eventually you'll find that it's so automatic that you end up straightening other people's bathroom rugs when you're going in. I do it without even thinking about it, and then I'm like, oh wait, was that rude to straighten their bathroom rugs? Like I don't know, but I do it out of the goodness of my heart because it's just something I do without even thinking about it now because I am so used to doing that at home, and it helps to keep the bathroom feeling nice and put together. And then the fifth thing is to not leave anything on the floor. If you have clothes or towels or anything like that that stay in the bathroom, to have a place for those things to be hung or to put them directly into the laundry basket. Now, we do keep our bathroom towels and there I have like I use one of those silk bonnets for my hair at night, and I have a shower cap that I use when I'm showering without because I shower every night, but I don't wash my hair every night. So I have some of those things in the bathroom. So I need a place for them to go. So we actually have hooks on the back of our bathroom door that hold some of these things to keep them off the floor, and we don't have a lot of storage in our bathroom, so we need a place to put those. Sometimes my husband likes to keep his gym clothes, like his like over like puts pants on over his gym shorts when we go to the gym if it's cold out and things like that. So and he has like an overshirt that he'll put over his like gym t-shirt. And so those things don't need to be washed every time. So he likes keeping those in the bathroom because that's where he gets changed for the gym. So we have hooks for him to put those things on so they're not just dropped on the floor waiting for the next time that we go to the gym. but having a place to hang everything, especially if it's going to stay in the bathroom, is really good to keep it off of the floor. The other thing is if it's laundry, then to just have a habit of scooping up all the laundry and making sure it is in the laundry basket and not hanging out on the bathroom floor so that when you walk into the bathroom, it feels fresh, it feels clean because it's already been wiped down. You have fresh hand towels, nothing is on the floor, and the bathroom rugs are straightened. It will start feeling like your bathroom is maintained really well. And then it doesn't suck so bad when you have to go in and actually deep clean your bathroom because you're not starting from a point of just a grimy bathroom. It still feels clean, and now you're just going in to give it a deeper clean. So, these are 5 habits that we have implemented that are just so helpful in keeping your bathrooms feeling fresh that I hope that you take them and you utilize them and they help you so that you don't have to have a grimy, gross bathroom. Like, that is no fun. Let's get our bathrooms smelling fresh in the simplest way possible because this literally takes a very small amount of time. So I will recap that for you. It's number 1 is to keep a mini cleaning kit handy. And when I say mini cleaning kit, I don't mean like mini bottles. You can do mini bottles, but I'm just saying like it doesn't have to be this gigantic cleaning kit that you keep close by. I'm saying just do the basics, the necessities of what you need to keep your bathroom clean, and that is your mini cleaning kit. So what I would suggest is some sort of like disinfectant or tub and tile cleaner, something to clean like the countertops and the toilet and spray down the shower when you need to if you want. And then the glass cleaner and then cleaning cloths. So like I would probably recommend like a microfiber cloth because then you can use it for the mirrors and then down to the counters and then to the toilet. And then you've got number 2 is to use this cleaning kit every day or at least every other day and just very quickly go through the motions and wipe things down. This does not need to take long. Number 3 is to change the hand towels daily. And this is a good thing to do when you do the cleaning. So then you're not going back and doing both at the same time. So when you go down to or go into do all the wipe downs and reset with the cleaning, then just swap out the hand towels at that time and you've got both of those done. The fourth thing is to make sure that the rugs are straightened every time you leave the bathroom. And number 5 is to put any clothes or towels either in the laundry basket or hang them on a hook instead of letting them pile up on the floor.
Did you love that episode or learn something useful? If so, would you do me a huge favor? My goal is to grow this podcast and help as many women as I can break free from the overwhelm so they can truly enjoy their life. The best way for me to do this is for you to leave a 5-star written review on your podcast app and to share this episode with a friend or in your Instagram stories. I appreciate you being here. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next episode. Take care.